We start with the rumbling row between Sergio Garcia and Tiger Woods. The world number one was quick to condemn the Spaniard after he joked that he would settle their dispute by serving Tiger fried chicken. Garcia later apologised. Let's hope, like Tiger suggests, we can all move on. Next, we head across to Bulgaria for Graham McDowell's victory at the Volvo World Match Play Championship. The Northern Irishman defeated Tongchai Jaidi in the final and received plaudits from both sides of the Atlantic, as well as from the great Gary Player who designed the new course in Bulgaria. A headache for McDowell the morning after implied he may have celebrated his second win of the season a little too heavily. Next stop for McDowell on the European Tour is one of the highlights of the calendar, the BMW PGA Championship at Wentworth. And as Pablo Larrazabal stated, with a little errant spelling, it sees the European team reunited for the first time since their Ryder Cup win at Medina. For Rory McIlroy and Caroline Wozniacki, that meant some home comforts in the shape of dinner and a movie. How sweet. Meanwhile, Ian Poulter indulged in a great British tradition, the curry, before professing his love for the sofa. His own form may have been a little disappointing lately, but he was eventually cheered by his beloved Arsenal's nervy end-of-season performance. It wasn't long before he faced another existential crisis, this time about where he can get his favourite hair gel. Elsewhere, Luke Donald is back as he attempts a three-peat, but not before heading off to Buckingham Palace. Donald's won the past two events at Wentworth and he was honoured for his services to golf with an MBE. Next, it was party time at the Players' Awards dinner, and Donald's wife Diane captured the moment when Team Europe stepped up on stage together. It was like a who's who of European Tour stars in attendance, Rory picking up the award for Player of the Year. You can just about pick him out in this photo. The cameraman, rather unhelpfully, seems to be as far away as possible. And finally, another big news story of the week has been the decision by the R&A and the US Golf Association to ban anchored putters, with the PGA yet to rule on the decision. Webb Simpson, a user of the belly putter, was philosophical about the ban, saying he'll do what he's told. While many of the world's best were keeping quiet on the subject, Paul Lawrie backed the ban but thinks there may be bigger problems to tackle first.